The court of 3 judges has reserved judgment on the case against veteran lawyer Lee Suet Fern, who's been found guilty by a disciplinary tribunal of grossly improper conduct as a lawyer. The matter deals with handling of founding Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew's final will. The Law Society had argued for Mrs. Lee's, wife of Lee Hsien Yang, to be struck off the roll. The Society's view was that Mrs. Lee did not just play an administrative role in facilitating her father-in-law's wishes. Its claims she acted as his lawyer and, having received instructions from him, acted upon them, cutting out his usual lawyer, Kim Lee, in the preparation and execution of the will. The Society says there was also a clear conflict of interest, as Mrs. Lee's husband was a beneficiary. Urging the court to dismiss the charges, Mrs. Lee's lawyers, including senior counsel Walter Woon, argued that Mr. Lee knew what he was doing. He told the court the tribunal's findings dishonored the memory of the founding Prime Minister by not accounting for the fact that he was still very lucid, but giving the impression that he was a doddering old dotard, being taken advantage of by his son and daughter-in-law. Professor Woon added it would have been an insult to the founding Prime Minister's intelligence for Mrs. Lee to decline to help and to suggest he should get independent advice. He said that would have implied he didn't know what he was doing and he would have exploded. Chief Justice Sundaresh Menon disagreed with Professor Woon's arguments that there isn't any conflict of interest, since the respondent is acting as the solicitor in respect of a will where her husband is a beneficiary.